Learning Objective 3, the winning recipe, graphite polystyrene insulation made with a biomass balance approach, and composite insulated precast panels, and low carbon concrete. This is the recipe for a low carbon, high performance building system. Replacing fossil and renewable raw materials with biomass balance approach is important because, as you recall, we talked about the anthropogenic and biogenic sources of carbon. So here's an opportunity through this process called a biomass balance approach to use a renewable feedstock in the operations of the building in order to reduce the embodied carbon of the end product. Now, the end product, in this case, graphite polystyrene, is exactly the same. So it's chemically exactly the same. There's no difference in the performance at all. The renewable feedstock is actually used in the operations of the building, not in the ingredients. That said, the chemical makeup would be identical regardless, but in this case, it's used in the operation of the building. And we call that the biomass balance approach, which reduces that embodied carbon. It's also certified through a third party called RedCert, and that's a certified chain of custody, which is a really important thing to always look for with any of these environmental claims is that third party certification process. Graphite polystyrene with a raw material product carbon footprint of 0. So this is what can happen with this process. So you take the embodied emissions of the GPS beads from the cradle to gate perspective, as we discussed, and by incorporating the biomass balance approach, we can actually reduce the embodied carbon by 100%, which actually makes it a carbon neutral building material. All right, little pulse check here. Embodied carbon or cradle to gate, EPD, includes which of the following product life cycles? Production, raw material, transportation to material, manufacturing facility, manufacturing. 2, production, building construction phase, building use phase. Or 3, production, building construction phase, building use phase, and end of life phase, including deconstruction. If you said number 1, production, raw material, transportation, manufacturing, you are correct.